Good day, how are you all doing? Welcome to this video. Guys, I want to talk to my male friends today, men who are struggling with ED, men who are struggling with prostate issues, men who are not having a great time urinating, especially like waking up in the middle of the night, guys, you know, because it is frustrating. I mean, not getting a good night's rest, right? Because you wake up the next day feeling like trash. You go to work, you have absolutely no energy. So I do want to talk to you about ProstaVive. It is a dietary supplement and it promotes and improves your prostate health, guys. So stick around because there's lots of cool things you have to know about this product. I mean, it helps out so many men. It's been helping out so many men, and the results you get are quite incredible, meaning that you go back to having a healthy sex life, you go back to urinating normally, and you finally get that full night rest. So think about that. Okay, I will be leaving for you ProstaVive's official webpage right here below this video in the description box, because that's like the safest place on the internet to get it. It's where you go to make a safe purchase. It's where you go to receive the original product. So go figures, you know? Now, ProstaVive, it is made with a special blend of natural and organic ingredients that are like botanicals, that are veggies and fruits and vitamins, minerals, nutrients, you name it, all right? And it seeks to improve overall prostate health, assisting any men out there in dealing with common difficulties like frequent urination, discomforts, you know, poor night's rest. So what distinguishes ProstaVive from other supplements is its fast-acting composition, which actually provides visible improvements in prostate function, as well as an increased urine flow and reduced discomforts as well. So it's cool, you know, because in addition to prostate-specific effects, ProstaVive promotes your overall male health. Like, it promotes healthy nitric oxide levels, which support arterial health and blood pressure. And it's also going to help you manage blood sugar, boost your immune system, and increases energy reserves. So lots of ProstaVive users have also noticed how this helps them to improve their cognitive function. Like, they have quicker memory, quicker recall, and just like general vigor, you know? But guys, it's really cool because with ProstaVive, you can also boost your testosterone levels because it has the ingredient called Tomcat Alley. It helps you improve your male performance and just your overall vitality too. So ProstaVive is for prostate function. It is going to aid you in your sexual health too. And it helps you get relief, you know, stress relief, pain relief. So there's lots of cool things to it, guys. Take your treatment seriously, use it for 3 months or 6 months, and it also comes with a money back guarantee. So if you don't like it, request a refund on the official webpage. I know you're not going to regret this, okay? So pop over there right now to learn more about ProstaVive. Thank you for watching, friends. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I'll see you all next time. Bye.